Why are my rocks not shiny after tumbling? Ah! Howdy rock tumblers. Today I am sharing a quick but super important tip for your rock tumbling setup. Woo! This one's for beginners or pros because no one wants their hard work ruined by rust. Ew. So you've cleaned your ceramic media, but did you know that putting it in a metal container could actually be ruining your rock polishing efforts? Yep, invisible rust can sneak in and mess up your rock tumbling results without you even realizing it. Oh my God. That's what happened to me recently and why I'm sharing this quick but super important tip for your rock tumbling setup. Holy cow. Look at this, it even put a rust stain on the tumbling media. What? Oh my gosh, what a mess! Ceramic media is usually white and a great cushion for the later stages of rock polishing. Woohoo! But if you store your freshly cleaned ceramic media in a metal can, like a coffee can, it's gonna rust. And that rust doesn't just stay in the can, it flakes off. Oh my gosh, look at that. You've got your own homemade grit, and it mixes with your ceramic media. And it makes your rocks dull. Oh my God. This is usually the final stage where your stones get their shine. Rust contamination can completely ruin weeks of tumbling. Sometimes months, I'm not kidding. Ah! Avoid this, always store your wet ceramic media in a plastic container, whether it's hard plastic or a Ziploc bag. Plastic obviously won't rust. Metal, yeah, that's a no-brainer, but you know, we get all busy and it's like, oh my God, it rusted. Ah! And your rocks will go from dull and scratched to super shiny and high polished. Look at that. Ooh hoo hoo. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Hey, I got one more rock tumbling tip and trick, okay? Hey, can you let me say it? Okay. Here, you can go right there. There, you're still in it, okay? Anyway, if you ever find that your grit is contaminated, just toss it. Toss everything. It's not worth the hassle. Start with fresh grit. I'll leave a link in the description for plastic containers you can use, or better yet, just use whatever you have in your house. Tumble on!